Shares of VA Tech are higher by more than 4% after the company announced an order in Zambia for a water waste treatment project worth about 78 million euros or about 700 crore. The order marks VA Tech's first entry into Zambia. As part of the order, VA Tech will execute the EPC of 2 wastewater treatment plants in Zambia over the next 36 months. Star Cements rose about 8% after cement major Ultratech Cement announced the acquisition of an 8.69% stake in the company for about Rs 851 crore. The deal involves the purchase of up to 3.7 crore equity shares at a price that does not exceed 200 Rs 50 per share. Private lender IndusInd Bank share price rose about 3% to become the top gainer on the Nifty 50 index after the bank decided to offload its non-performing microfinance loan pool of about 10.6 lakh retail loan accounts. This amounts to about 1,500 crore as the MFI sector continues to see exacerbated stress. Auto stocks rose after DAM Capital upgraded several auto companies, citing recovery prospects despite near-term headwinds. Tata Motor, Escorts and Bajaj Auto were all upgraded to a buy rating, with Bajaj Auto target set at about 9,750 rupees per share. Shares of Cochin Shipyard hit the 5% upper circuit on December 27th as Adani Ports in Special Economic Zone announced the procurement of 8 state-of-the-art harbour tugs, all to be constructed by Cochin Shipyard. With a total contract value amounted to 450 crore, these tugs are expected to begin delivery on December 2026 and will continue until May 2028. Shares of Mazagon Dock shipbuilders tumbled in trade after it started trading ex-split. The stock was split in a 1:2 ratio, meaning that an existing share with a face value of Rs 10 will now be split into 2 new shares with face values of Rs 5 each. Shares of India's largest iron ore producer, NMDC, started trading on an ex-bonus basis as the company had set December 27th as a record date for determining the shareholder eligibility for the 2:1 bonus issue. Shares tumbled over 3% in trade, with most of the losses coming towards the latter half of the session. Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services shares fell over 3% after announcing that it is eyeing a strategic acquisition after raising almost 600 crore through the QIP route. We plan to acquire at least 2 companies in the upcoming financial year, the founder and executive chairman of Zaggle said. The firm also announced that it has entered into an agreement with Mahindra First Choice Wheels. RBL Bank shares fell after it announced that it had divested its entire 8.16% stake in DAM Capital through the OFS route. The corporate action was initiated on December 26th, a day before the listing of the pure-play investment bank, which is DAM Capital. Following the above transaction, RBL Bank does not have any equity shareholding remaining in the investment banking firm. NHPC shares fell on the bourses after it revised the loss incurred to its Teesta power plant in Sikkim due to flash floods. The new loss amount is about 1,075 crore. The company also noted that the tunnel and some other road infrastructure are still buried under debris, hence it has caused hindrance to further inspection of the damage.